In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoom waiting room settings. Setting up a waiting room for your Zoom meetings is an excellent way to control who can join your meeting and when, giving you added security and control over your virtual space. Let's start by navigating to the Zoom website. You just need to open your preferred browser and type in the URL www.zoom.com. This will bring you to the main Zoom homepage where you can find various options. Here, you'll want to head to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Sign In button there. Click on it to access your Zoom account. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This ensures that only you have access to your meeting settings. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right area of the page where you'll spot the My Account option. Clicking on this will take you to your personal account dashboard where you can manage various settings and preferences associated with your Zoom account. From this account dashboard, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This section is vital because it contains all the customizable features for your meetings. Within the Settings menu, focus on the sidebar where you should see multiple options displayed. Look for the Meeting option and click on it. Selecting this will allow you to delve deeper into specific meeting settings, which include audio, video, and importantly, security preferences. Now that you're in the meeting settings, pay attention to the security area. This is where you have the power to manage different security options, which include enabling or disabling features like the waiting room. Click into the Security section and you'll uncover a variety of security features designed to keep your meetings safe and controlled. In the Security section, you're going to look for the option to turn on the waiting room. Enabling the waiting room means that participants will first enter a virtual holding area when they join your meeting. You, as the host, can then selectively allow participants from the waiting room into the meeting, offering an extra layer of security. This feature is especially useful when you want to vet who is entering and prevent any uninvited guests from interrupting. By following these steps, you'll have successfully enabled the waiting room feature, enhancing your control over meeting attendees and bolstering your meeting security. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, setting up a waiting room is a simple but effective way to manage your Zoom meetings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.